The nonpartisan Wisconsin Legislative Audit Bureau has released its audit of the Wisconsin Lottery for fiscal year 2023. This audit was published as report number 24-9 in July 2024. The following is the report summary. The Wisconsin Lottery sells instant tickets and lotto tickets and participates in the multi-jurisdictional Powerball and Mega Millions lotto games. The Wisconsin Constitution and Wisconsin statutes impose certain limitations on lottery expenses. The Wisconsin Constitution also requires that net proceeds from the Wisconsin Lottery be used exclusively for property tax relief for Wisconsin residents. Net proceeds from the Wisconsin Lottery are largely distributed to owners of primary residences in Wisconsin through the Lottery and Gaming Tax Credit. We provide unmodified opinions on the Wisconsin Lottery's financial statements as of and for the years ended June 30, 2023 and June 30, 2022. These financial statements account for the financial position and activity of the Wisconsin Lottery, which is administered by the Department of Revenue. We conducted this financial audit by auditing the Wisconsin Lottery's financial statements in accordance with applicable government auditing standards, issuing our auditor's opinion, reviewing internal controls, and issuing our auditor's report on internal control and compliance. We also assessed the Wisconsin Lottery's compliance with certain statutory requirements. Since its inception, the Wisconsin Lottery has provided $5.8 billion in property tax relief, including $319.7 million distributed in fiscal year 2023. The Wisconsin Lottery was provided with general purpose revenue, or GPR, of $72.9 million in fiscal year 2023 for retailer compensation expenses and vendor fees. The provision of GPR funding increased net lottery proceeds available for the Lottery and Gaming Tax Credit. The actual amount distributed for the Lottery and Gaming Tax Credit decreased from $340.2 million in fiscal year 2022 to $319.7 million in fiscal year 2023, or by 6%, because the estimate of ticket sales used to determine the amount of the credit was less than actual ticket sales. In October 2023, the Wisconsin Department of Administration and the Legislature's Joint Committee on Finance authorized the use of $362.4 million in net lottery proceeds for the fiscal year 2024 Lottery and Gaming Tax Credit. Wisconsin Lottery ticket sales increased from $887.8 million in fiscal year 2022 to $981.7 million in fiscal year 2023, or by 10.6%. Sales of instant tickets, which are scratch-off and pull-tab tickets, increased by $15.5 million, or by 2.4% from fiscal year 2022 to fiscal year 2023. Sales of lotto tickets, which are tickets for lotto games, including Mega Millions, Powerball, Badger 4, Daily Pick 3, Daily Pick 4, increased by $78.4 million, or by 31.5%, due to increased Mega Millions and Powerball ticket sales in fiscal year 2023 as compared to fiscal year 2022. The Wisconsin Lottery was in compliance with the statutory requirements for fiscal year 2023. Wisconsin statutes impose limitations on certain types of lottery expenses, including requirements that at least 50% of lottery ticket sales must be used as prize payments to players, certain administrative expenses may not exceed 10% of gross lottery revenues, and payments to retailers for performance incentives may not exceed 1.0% of gross revenues from the sale of lottery tickets. To view this and other publications from the Nonpartisan Wisconsin Legislative Audit Bureau, please visit our website at www.legis.wisconsin.gov/lab. To report fraud, waste, and mismanagement in state government, please contact our hotline at 1-877-FRAUD-17.